Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar Toosii. I believe that's his name, Toosii. First time on Garden Guitar and with this favorite song. So a great song there, and I would like to cover it. So that's the song we're gonna go through here. So we have no need for any cape on this one. So we're going clean and we have 5 different chords to go over. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. The next chord is A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have bar chord next. It's a B minor, so that's a bar chord, plays on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. That's all strings except for the last E. So on the 2nd fret, that's the bar there, and then the 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. The rest of your fingers. So that's the B minor. Then we have another bar chord here. That's an A, but with a C sharp in the bass. So you place the bar again here on the 2nd fret. And now you only need from D string and down, so 4 strings from bottom up like this on the 2nd fret, and then you just add the 4th fret on the A. So that's the A C sharp chord, and then we finally have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we're gonna look at the strumming pattern now, and it needs to be divided into 2 different parts because we're gonna split this with some chords. So let's take the D together first, and then we'll look at the strumming pattern. So one full round sounds like this. Alright, so the first part will be down, down, up, clap, down. That part, okay? So down, down, up, clap, down. All right. And then after this part 1, you have a small break, and then you come into this second part here, and that is just down, clap, down. So that's part 2. So if we put this together, you have a small pause there between part 1 and part 2. It sounds like this, a bit slower. With standard tempo and a couple rounds, it goes like this. Alright, so there we have it, guys. So let's take a look at the chord progression. And it goes in the same order as we looked at the chords. So we will play 1 full string round of D, then 1 full of A. Then you go to B minor, you play part 1, so just the down, down, up, clap, down. Then you switch to the A C chord and play again just part 1, down, down, up, clap, down. And then you finally land on the G and play 1 full. So to summarize, D 1 full, A 1 full, B minor part 1, A C part 1, and G 1 full, like this. And there you got it, guys. This is the Toosii's favorite song. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.